Good morning, student. Today 11th chemistry class. Previous class up to what we are talking about percentage, molecular weight, and molar mass, mole. We are discussing about lot of topic. But today we will learning about percentage compositions. Empirical. Today class is percentage composition, empirical and molecular formula, moles in solution. Three topic we will learn about. First, percentage composition. I will do the lot of problem also today also. Previous class, so many problems. Last class, full problems. Last video session. This video session, we will learn about problem and the theoretical part also. First, percentage composition. Percentage composition. You know, one compound means what is the meaning? More than one element is chemically combined to form compound. Suppose you consider this. This is a compound. Sulfuric acid is a compound. In this compound, which element is present? Hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. And hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen is a presence. Now, what is the percentage of hydrogen is present in sulfuric acid? How many percentage of hydrogen is present in the sulfuric acid? How many percentage of present in sulfur present in sulfuric acid? How many percentage of oxygen present in sulfuric acid? So that is a percentage composition. That is known as percentage composition. Percentage composition with different elements. So definition, you see, the percentage of any element are constituents. Percentage of any element. Here elements hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Elements are constituent in a compound. That is in a compound, hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen element is present. That is a percentage of any element or constituent in a compound is the number of parts by mass. How much mass of hydrogen is present in mass, molecular mass of sulfuric acid? How many grams? That is the molecular sulfur mass is present in sulfuric acid. Oxygen mass is present in sulfuric acid. Number of parts by mass of that element are constituent present in 100 part. This is a 100 percentage or 100 part. Sulfuric acid is a 100 part. In this 100 part, hydrogen, how many part is present? Sulfur, how many part is present? Oxygen is a how many part is present? Or 100 percentage of sulfuric acid. Hydrogen, how much percentage of sulfuric acid present? Sulfur percentage present in sulfuric acid. Oxygen percentage is present in 100 percentage of sulfuric acid. That is a constituent present in 100 part by mass. Only mass of the compound. Mass of the compound. Now it is a formula. Mass percentage of an element. This is a formula. Mass percentage of an element. That element is present in compound. Mass percentage of element hydrogen or sulfur or oxygen is present in the compound. That is a mass percentage of an element is equal to weight of the element. This element weight. Suppose hydrogen mass is a 1. That is a weight. Mass or weight of the element divided by molecular weight of the compound. This compound molecular weight. This compound molecular weight. Sulfuric acid is a molecular weight. Sulfuric acid is a molecular weight. That is a molecular weight of the compound into 100. This 100 indicating percentage because 100 is percentage. So weight of the element divided by molecular weight of the compound into 100. The weight of the element divided by molecular weight of the compound into 100. It's a very important formula. Mass percentage of an element is equal to weight of the element divided by molecular weight of the compound into 100. Now one example. The great example. Mass percentage in a water molecule. Hydrogen mass percentage, we find the mass percentage of hydrogen in water molecule and oxygen percentage in the water molecule. Now first, mass percentage of hydrogen. In this water molecule, how many hydrogen atoms are present? 2 hydrogen atoms. That is a 2. Weight of the hydrogen. That is the weight of the element. That is a 1.08. Hydrogen weight 1.08 into molecular weight. Water molecular weight is 18.02. 18.02 into 100 into 100. These two indicating number of hydrogen atom into weight of the hydrogen. What is it? Problem mass percentage of hydrogen. So you take the hydrogen. Here 2 indicating number of hydrogen atom into this weight of the element. Hydrogen mass 1.08 divided by this is a molecular weight of the compound. What is the molecular weight of the water molecule? Is 18.0. What is the answer? 11.18% of hydrogen is present. So in water molecule, hydrogen percentage is 11.18%. Now mass percentage of oxygen. How many oxygen is present? One oxygen is present. One oxygen atom is present. So one oxygen mass is 16 divided by weight of the element oxygen. This is 16. 16 mass. That is atomic number 16. That is a mass. Divided by molecular weight of the compound is 18.02 into 100. What is the percentage? 88.79%. 79%. This is a mass percentage of oxygen. Now, in water molecule, two elements, only hydrogen and oxygen is present. So, the mass percentage, two elements is added is equal to 100%. You add mass percentage of hydrogen and mass percentage of oxygen is added to form 100%. To form 100%. This is a mass percentage of in water molecule. Next problems. Two problems is that question: calculate the percentage composition of various elements in the following compound. First question is a blue vitriol. You know, last year 10th standard we studied the blue vitriol. Copper sulfate 5H2O. Copper sulfate 5H2O. 5 water molecules is present. Question 1. You find the copper sulfate 5H2O percentage composition. You find the percentage of copper, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. 4 elements is present. Copper, sulfur, oxygen, and hydrogen. You find the 4 element mass percentage is present in the compound. First, okay, find the molecular weight. Molecular weight of the compound. Molecular weight. Molecular weight is equal to how many copper? 1 copper. Molecular weight, what last previous class you are learning? Molecular mass or molecular weight? Molecular weight is equal to sum of the atomic mass. Sum of the atomic mass. Here copper atom, sulfur atom, oxygen atom, hydrogen. So you add sum of the atomic mass. So copper mass, then 1 sulfur plus 4 oxygen. 4 oxygen is present. Now 5 water molecules plus 5 into 1 hydrogen plus 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen. 1 oxygen. Copper mass is 63. What is the mass of copper mass? Is 63.5. Sulfur mass 32. Oxygen mass 65. Water mass. What is the water mass? 18. Water mass is 18. So 63.5, 32, 64, 90. That is a 90. So you add 249.5 gram. 249.5 gram. 249.5 gram. This is a molecular weight of copper sulfate. So first step is over. First you find the molecular weight. You find the molecule. What is the formula? Mass percentage of the element is equal to weight of the element divided by molecular weight of the compound. This is a molecular weight of the compound. You find it. Which data is given? Copper mass 63.5, sulfur mass 32, hydrogen mass 1, oxygen mass 16. This data is given in your exam time. Data is given. Only substitute the values. Okay. Second step, you find that every element in composition. Every element composition. First, mass percentage of copper. Mass percentage of copper. Mass percentage of copper. Okay. Now, weight of the element divided by molecular weight of the compound into 100. Weight of the element, what is the weight? 63.5. Copper mass 63.5 divided by molecular weight of the compound 249.5 into 100 into 100. What is the value? 25.545 percentage. 25. So copper percentage. Copper is present in a copper sulfate. Percentage is a 25.45 percentage. So 1/4 percentage of copper present. Now mass percentage of sulfur. What is the sulfur atomic mass? 32. Mass divided by mass of the weight of the compound 249.5 into 100 percentage into 100. What is the value? 12.82 percentage. You divide the division and you do at home. That is a 12.82 percentage. Now mass percentage of what is the first two elements over copper over sulfur over oxygen. Here oxygen. Oxygen, how many oxygen is present? First you find the how many oxygen is present. How many oxygen? In this compound 4 oxygen. Here 5 into 1, 5 oxygen. Total 9 oxygen. Total 9 oxygen. 4 oxygen plus 5. 5 into 1, that is 5. 5 plus 4 is a 9 oxygen is present in this compound. So 9 into 9 into what is the mass percentage of oxygen? Oxygen mass, what is the mass of oxygen? 16. 9 into 16 divided by molecular mass, molecular weight of the compound 249.5 into 100 into 100 into 100. You divide this 57.71 percentage. 57.71 percentage. Now mass percentage of hydrogen. So you find the number of hydrogens. Hydrogen, you see 5 into 2, 5 water molecule, 5 into 2, 10 hydrogen is present. So 10 hydrogen is a 10 into hydrogen mass. What is the mass? Hydrogen mass 1.08 or let's say that is a 1.08 divided by 249.5 into 100. What is the value? 4.04 percentage. 4.0 percentage. So in blue vitriol, that is a copper sulfate 5H2O, maximum oxygen percentage is present. Then next copper percentage, next sulfur percentage, next hydrogen percentage. If we add 4 elements, nearly 100 percentage will come. 100 percentage will come. This is a mass percentage of each element. This is the first one. The second problem, more salt. More salt. More salt. Second, more salt formula. NH4 twice SO4 FeSO4 dot 6H2 dot 6H2. So which element is present? nitrogen present, hydrogen present, sulfur present, oxygen present, iron present. That's all. Total 5 elements is present. Total 5 elements is present. Total 5 elements is present. Ammonium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, and this is a more salt. The salt name is a double salt axilla. This is a more salt. What is the name? More salt. Chemical name ammonium sulfate. This is ammonium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, water molecule. Hydrated ammonium sulfate and ferrous sulfate. This is a more salt. Find the element percentage. Calculate the percentage of composition of various elements. Percentage of composition various elements in the compound. First, okay, find the molecular weight. Molecular weight. Molecular weight. Here 2. This 2. Nitrogen mass 14. Hydrogen 1. Sulfur 32. Oxygen 16. Iron 56. Iron 56. Iron 56. So 2 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, 14, 4 hydrogen, that is a 4 into 1, 4. So 2 ammonium molecules, 2, this 2 into nitrogen mass, 4 hydrogen mass, plus sulfur mass. What is the sulfur? 32. Sulfur mass 32. Now oxygen mass, 4 oxygen, 4 into 16, 4 oxygen mass. Now ferrous sulfate, iron mass, what is the mass? Iron 56. Only 1 iron present. Sulfur 32 plus 4 oxygen 16. 4 oxygen 16 plus 6 water molecule. Water molecule 1 hydrogen plus 4 6 oxygen 16 mass. 2 hydrogen, that is 2 into 16. 2 into, that is 16. So you add total mass 392 grams. Completely add molecular mass of more salt is a 392 grams. So first work is over. What is the work? Molecular weight calculation. Molecular weight calculation. Second work, each element percentage, mass percentage. So 5 elements is present. You calculate 5 element mass percentage. Now first mass percentage of nitrogen. Mass percentage of nitrogen. So here nitrogen, how many nitrogen is present? 2 nitrogen. 1 nitrogen is a 14, 2 nitrogen is a 28. 2 nitrogen is a 28. So 2 nitrogen divided by weight of the molecular compound 392 into 100. Nitrogen mass is a 14. Nitrogen mass is a 14. What is the value? 7.18 percentage. You multiply and division, it comes 7.14 percentage. 7.14 percentage. This is a mass percentage of nitrogen. Next, mass percentage of hydrogen. Mass percentage of hydrogen. So here you find how many hydrogen atoms is present. How many hydrogen atoms? Here 2 into 4, 8 atoms is present. 2 into 4, 8 atoms is present. Here 6 into 2. 6 into 2, 12. 8 plus 12 is a 20 hydrogen atoms is present. How many hydrogen atoms is present? 20. So 20. Each hydrogen atom mass 1. Molecular weight 292 into 100. Into 100. Into 100. Mass percentage 5.10 percentage. So first nitrogen over, second hydrogen over. Third sulfur. Mass percentage of sulfur. How many sulfur? 2 sulfur present. Ammonium sulfate of 1 sulfur. Here ferrous sulfate 2 sulfur. Sulfur mass is what is the mass of sulfur is 32 divided by 392 into 100 into 100 mass percentage. This you divide this by 60.3 percentage. 16.32 percentage. 32 percentage. So nitrogen over sulfur over. Next to oxygen. Mass percentage of oxygen. How many oxygen is present? First you find the oxygen, number of oxygen. In ammonium sulfate 4 oxygen present. Here 4 oxygen plus water molecule 6. 4 plus 4 plus 6, that is a 14 oxygen is present. 4 plus 4 plus 6, 14 oxygen. Oxygen mass is 16, molecular mass 392 into 100. Into 100, into 100. Into 100, what is this? 57.14 percentage. 57.41 percentage. Next, mass percentage of iron. Mass percentage of iron. How many iron present? Only one iron present. Iron mass is 56. 1 into 56. Molecular mass 392 into 100. Into 100. What is the value? 14.28 percentage. 14.28. So in a more salt formula, NH4 twice SO4, FeSO4, 6H2O, more salt. In this salt, 5 elements of presence: nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, iron. In this salt, the molecular weight is 392 gram. Mass percentage of nitrogen, 2 nitrogen is present, so 7.1 percentage. Mass percentage of hydrogen, 20 hydrogen is present, and 20 hydrogen mass 1. Mass 1. So percentage 5.1 percentage. Mass percentage of sulfur, 2 sulfur atoms are present, so mass percentage 16.32 percentage. Mass percentage of oxygen, 14 oxygen is present, mass percentage 57.1 percentage. Mass percentage of iron, only 1 iron present, so 14.28 percentage. So maximum more salt is the maximum percentage is nearly 57 percentage oxygen. Now you add this percentage, it makes 100 percentage. You come to the 100 percentage. It forms the 100 percentage. This is a one. Next homework I will give you do at home. Very important, very interesting topic, problem homework. Calculate the percentage composition of alumina Al2O3, alumina formula Al2O3, and silica SiO2 in the sample of clay. Clay formula Al2O3 K2O 6Si. This is a clay. This is a clay. Calculate percentage composition. Alumina percentage and silica percentage is the calculation. Alumina. This is a clay formula. You find the first step. You find the molecular mass. Aluminium molecular mass 27. Aluminium molecular mass 27. Oxygen 16. Potassium 39, silicon 28. First work you find the molecular mass of clay formula. What is the clay formula? Al2O3 K2O 6Si. You find the molecular mass of clay. First step. Second step, alumina percentage. In this clay, Al2O3 how much percentage is present? So you find the alumina mass, that is a alumina mass of alumina divided by molecular weight of clay molecular weight of clay into 100. Second, silica percentage. So 6 water silica molecule is present. Mass of silica 6 mass of silica divided by molecular weight of clay into 100. This is a molecular weight. This is a molecular weight. Molecular weight of clay. Total weight. Okay, this is a homework. Do it. I will give the answer. You check it. Alumina answer. Alumina percentage 18.35 percentage. Potassium oxide percentage 16.90. Silica percentage 64.75%. This is the answer. Now you solve it, you check it whether it's a correct or wrong. Okay, that's all. This is the topic over percentage composition. This topic is over percentage composition. Next topic is a empirical formula. Next topic, empirical formula. Empirical formula and molecular formula. Next, empirical formula and molecular formula. This is the empirical formula, simplest form, MF, molecular formula, EF, empirical formula and molecular formula, MF. First EF, empirical formula. First empirical formula. Definition: the simple ratio of the compound. Simple ratio of the atoms of different element in one molecule. In one molecule of substance. The simple ratio of the atoms in a different element in a one molecule. Let's say example, glucose C6H12O6. This is a glucose formula. The simple ratio of the atoms. Here how many atoms? Carbon 6 atom, hydrogen 12 atom, oxygen 6 atom. 6:12:6. You simplify it. 1:2:1. So carbon 1. This carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. This is 1. Now no need, right? This is a empirical formula of glucose. That is a simple ratio of the atom. Ratio of the atom of different element. In this compound, different element is present. Glucose 3 element is present. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. In this carbon and hydrogen ratio 6 atom, hydrogen 12 atom, oxygen 6 atom. So you simplify 1:2:1. So carbon 6, carbon 1 atom, hydrogen 2 atom, oxygen 1 atom. That is a simple ratios. This is a empirical formula. This is a empirical formula. That is a skeletal formula. This is a skeletal formula. This is a skeletal formula. Now glucose, water empirical formula. Now what is the empirical formula? Next example, benzene. Glucose empirical formula. Glucose formula C6H12O6. This molecular formula, empirical formula, simplest form ratio CH2O. This is the empirical formula. Now benzene molecular formula C6H6. C6H6 is a benzene molecular formula. Now simplest form, what is the ratio? 6:6 atom. Now is cancelled, that is C1:1, carbon 1, hydrogen 1. That is the simplest empirical formula. That is the empirical formula. Next, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. What is the formula? Molecular formula H2O2. Empirical formula H2O2, 2 hydrogen, 2 atom, here 2 atom. The ratio cancel, 1:1. That is the hydrogen 1, oxygen 1. This is the empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide. Empirical formula hydrogen peroxide. The only atomic ratios. Atomic ratios of various elements. So empirical formula, atomic ratio of various elements. Atomic ratio of various elements. How many atoms? That is the smallest number you count. That is a various element. This is a empirical formula. Next topic is a molecular formula. That is a MF. MF is a molecular formula. Molecular formula is the exact formula of the compound. The exact formula of the compound is known as molecular formula. Exact number of atoms is present. Here simplest ratio. Empirical formula, simplest ratio is present. But in a molecular formula, exact number of atoms is present. Exact number of atoms is present. Example. Glucose empirical formula CH2O. Empirical formula is CH2O. But molecular formula exact number of atoms is present. Here 6 atom, hydrogen 12 atom, oxygen 6 atom. That is the exact number of atoms is present. And benzene molecular formula, that is the empirical formula C6H6. C6H6. Then hydrogen peroxide empirical formula, exact formula H2O. Now this is the exact number of atoms is present. Exact number of atoms present in the compound is known as molecular formula. Exact number of atoms is present in molecular formula. Now what is the relation between empirical formula and molecular formula relationship? The relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula. Molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula. That is a relation. Multiply with N. Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. N is a number, that is an integer, and whole numbers. Not integer, that is a whole numbers. That is a, or any integers or whole numbers. Maybe any integers. N is equal to any integer, not fraction. That is N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That is any integers. Okay. Now you find the N value. N value finding is a very simplest formula is that N value finding formula N. That is integer finding formula. Okay. Molar mass of the compound. Molar mass. That is given. This compound. Say example glucose. Glucose molecular mass or molar mass. Glucose. Say example. C6H12O6. Okay, you find that is a molar mass, that is a molecular mass of compound divided by empirical formula. This is a empirical empirical formula divided by mass of the empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass. This is what n value. Okay, first the relation between molecular formula and empirical formula. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. N value is equal to molar mass of the compound by empirical formula mass of the compound. You see, I will find the n value for glucose. Glucose molar mass 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen. Carbon mass is a 12, hydrogen mass 1, oxygen mass 16. 72 plus 12, 96. So what is the value? 6, 8, 10, remainder 1, 10, 11, 18 gram. That is the molar mass of glucose. Now empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass. What is the empirical formula of glucose? CH2O. CH2O. 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen. 2 carbon and 1 oxygen. 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Carbon mass 12, hydrogen 2, hydrogen mass 1, oxygen mass 16. That is 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 plus 16. What is this? 30. That is a 30. Now n value find. N value. What is the formula n value? Molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. What is the molar mass? 180 grams. Empirical formula mass 30 grams. So 180 divided by 180 gram divided by empirical formula mass of glucose 30. The gram cancel, that is a 6. N value is a 6. N value 6. Now molecular, we find the formula. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. What is the n value? 6. Empirical formula. What is the formula of empirical formula? CH2. Simplest ratio of the element atom. As an atom simplest ratio is known as empirical formula. The exact number of the atom is known as molecular formula. 6 into empirical formula. CH2O. 6 into carbon, 6 carbon. 6 into hydrogen, 12 hydrogen. 6 into oxygen, 6. So it will come to the molecular formula. It come to the molecular formula. This is the relation between empirical formula and molecular formula. Relation between empirical formula and molecular formula. Now next. Then next calculation of empirical and molecular formula. The one problem is that calculation of empirical formula and molecular formula. There are 5 steps is there. Calculation of molecular formula and empirical formula. There are 5 steps is there. First step. Step 1. First step. Conversion of mass percentage to gram. Second, gram convert into number of moles. of each element. Each element. Then third step, calculate simplest ratio. Simplest whole number. Fourth, writing empirical formula. Writing empirical formula. Fifth, writing molecular formula. Writing molecular formula. Writing molecular formula. Okay, I will do it the one problems, you do it. One problem is there, basically in IIT questions. Question number 1. A compound compounds contain 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon and 71.6% chlorine. Its molar mass 98.96 gram. What are empirical formula and molecular formula? What are empirical formula and molecular formula? This is a question. So percentage is compound is given. Molecular mass is given. What is the empirical formula and molecular formula? Solution. 5 steps is there. First step, conversion of mass percentage into gram. Here what is the element is chosen? Hydrogen. Hydrogen first step, hydrogen percentage. How many percentage? 4.07%. So it is converted into gram. Then carbon 24.27% converted into gram. Chlorine 71.6% is converted into gram. First, this percentage is converted into gram. Percentage is converted into gram. Simple. Our whole compound is a 100%. That is a 100 gram. So each percentage is a gram. 4% means 7 gram. 24.27 gram. Carbon, chlorine 71.65 gram. It's a gram. So first conversion of mass percentage into gram. Second step, in this gram convert into number of moles. In this gram is convert into number of moles. Carbon, hydrogen 4 gram is converted into moles. Carbon 12 grams, so converted into moles. And chlorine 71.6 gram is converted into moles. That is moles of hydrogen. Moles formula. What is the formula? Given mass by molecular mass. Given mass by molecular mass or atomic mass. What is the given mass? 4.07. Molecular mass, atomic mass 1.008. That is a 4.04 moles. 4 moles of hydrogen. Now moles of next element carbon. Given mass 24.27, molecular mass, atomic mass 12.01, already you know 2.021 mole. So given mass, that is given mass, atomic mass of carbon 12. So mole formula, already you know mole is given mass by atomic mass or molecular mass. Now chlorine mass 71.65. Given mass, atomic mass 35.453, that is 2.021 moles. So it is a second step. Convert into moles. That is a gram. First step, percentage, mass percentage is converted into gram. Second step, this gram is converted into moles. Now third step, simplest whole number. In this third step is simplest whole number. You see, hydrogen mole, what is a mole? hydrogen mole 4.0.4, carbon moles 2.201, and chlorine moles 2.201. 2.021 moles. So this number is complete. This whole number is converted into whole number. Very simple method. Which is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. Divide. You take smallest number, divide 2.02. You take any two after 2 digits. You take. So what is the value? 2. Simplest whole number. You smallest number divide. Now 2.02 this value. In this smallest number 2.02. That is a 1. 2.02 smallest three numbers, which is the smallest number 2.02 divide. That is a 1. That is a calculate simplest whole number. The simplest whole number over hydrogen 2, carbon 1, chlorine 1. Then next, write in empirical form. Fourth step, write in empirical form. This is the third step. Fourth, write in empirical form. How many carbon? 1 carbon, hydrogen 2, chlorine 1. First you write carbon, hydrogen, chlorine. How many carbon? 1 carbon. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. How many chlorine? 1 chlorine. That is a empirical formula. CH2Cl. That is the empirical formula. CH2Cl. Because carbon 1, hydrogen 2, chlorine 1. Next, molecular formula. Then final step to molecular formula. Molecular formula, what is the N into empirical formula? Molecular previous you will learn N into empirical formula. N, what is this? Empirical formula mass divided by molecular formula mass. This is a empirical formula mass, molecular formula mass into, that's all. Empirical formula this. Carbon 12, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5, that is 13, 48.5, that is 48.5, 48.5. Then molecular formula, mass 2. That is empirical molecular formula mass, empirical formula mass. Molecular formula mass, what is this? 98.96. Empirical formula mass 48.5. 48.5. That is approximately 2. This is approximately 2 value. Approximately. That is a n value is 2. Now you substitute. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. N value 2. Empirical formula CH2Cl. So formula, what is the formula? C2, hydrogen 14, hydrogen 4, chlorine 2. This is a C2H4Cl2. C2H4Cl2. This is a molecular formula. This is a molecular formula. This is a molecular formula. Okay, today topic is over. Next class, very important, mole solution, moles in solution. Next topic, molarity, concentration of solution, molarity, normality, weight percentage, or concentration, express concentration of solution. We will see the next class. That is important. This topic is related with the 12th standard. 12th standard solution lesson is there. Okay, we will see the next class.